Welcome to the first WorldFootballR tutorial. In this video, we will present how to use this amazing data resource for football games by analyzing player data and creating an awesome radar plot. The details of the package can be found in the GitHub page. All the links mentioned are in description. The library provides function to easily extract data from FBref. FBref is a great football resource. It contains every foot scouting data for football players, women or men, for the major football leagues. Data from two other websites, Transfer Market and Understat, are also proposed. We will focus on them during the next tutorial. The library contains a series of functions to get the requested data. In this video, we will only utilize the FBref player-related data, in particular the scouting report data. We will call also the FSMB library to create the final radar plot. Let's start using the FB player scouting report function in order to extract Mohamed Salah data. For this, we will need the FBref URL of Mohamed Salah. There are two ways to get it: by directly going into the website and copying the URL address. The URL can also be obtained with the WorldFootballR function, player dictionary mapping, that provides all URLs for every players. The result of that function is a data frame, which contains a lot of information related to his performance through the different seasons of his professional career. The variable statistics show the different metrics recorded. We can notice there are more than 100 metrics available. When we explore the dataset, we also see the variables, stat group, and scouting period. For a cleaning data purpose, we ignore standard stat, because it repeats statistics from other stat group as attack, defense, etc. Also, all past season are available, but we only keep the 365 last days period. There is no meaning looking at all the details. Depends of what you need, you can select your own metrics. Here we will select only on 11 of metrics that reflect well the player capabilities. It can be an interesting discussion to know which ones are the most meaningful. It will depend on what we want to study. The 11 selected here are in description in the WorldFootballR website. FBref website also gives a brief description for all metrics. We can retrieve the definition when putting cursor over the metrics. XG, expected goal, is certainly the most famous metric. We find also other metrics as pass completed, clearance, tackle, blocks. Feel free to explore the huge quantity of parameters. There are many ways to create a radar plot in R. Here we will use the FSMB library and the function RadarchArt. To use the function, we need first to select a maximum and a minimum value for each variables. For this exercise, we select manually a minimum and a maximum for the 11 selected metrics. We also set up some features for the radar plot, setting names of parameters or set up a color palette. The link in description gives explanations to use the RadarchArt function. For example, how to set up the axis label or the legend margin. To simplify the work, we create a function data player with the player URL as parameter. To get all detailed code, go to the GitHub link or get more explanation in the WorldFootballR page. Running the function with the URL of Harry Kane, we obtain the profile. As expected, Harry got serious striker skills, with high scoring goals. As per the website Kale now, the four best players of the last season are Rodri, Haaland, Mbappe, and Harry Kane. Let's create a nice chart with this top 4 2023 players. We add also some code to save the final results in a PDF file. Thanks to these 4 figures, we can start an analysis and compare the players of the top 4. It looks like Rodri is the only midfielder in this classment. The others, with their high goals score, play forwarder. Harry Kane has also some defense abilities as blocks. This was the first tentative to explore data provided by WorldFootballR. Stay tuned for the next tutorial.